G'day guys, it's Marcel here. I'm a motorcycle mechanic, been in the industry for 30 plus years, also been working on the enduro circuit and in the desert side of racing. Today I'll be working on this KTM motorcycle, servicing it using the SP Tools Tech series, which is quite an amazing package which has been put together and is ideal for any motorcycle mechanic. While servicing this bike, I'll also be using the SP Tools Max, which is a 3/8 drive railgun. The first thing that caught my attention was how comfortable it was in the hand. I do like the new feature added, which is the battery indicator and the variable trigger action. So as you can imagine, over the years, I would have used all sorts of different brands of tools. I first got introduced to SP Tools back in 2004 and have been absolutely sold ever since.